Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today I want to dive into the intriguing world of nature and how our misconceptions often shape our view of it. Imagine standing in a lush forest or by the side of a roaring river. The sights, sounds and smells around you are pure, untouched by human hands. But how often do we attach imaginary rules to the comfortable sprawl of nature? Let's talk about the concept of natural law. It's a way for us to make sense of the world, to organize what we see into neat, understandable categories. However, sometimes these rules can be more harmful than helpful. Take the idea of the balance of nature. Many of us grew up believing that nature is always in a state of perfect balance, like a finely tuned orchestra. But the reality is far more chaotic. Ecosystems are dynamic, constantly changing and adapting. This misconception can lead us to interfere in ways that are actually detrimental. Another common misconception is the survival of the fittest. We often think that only the strongest or the smartest survive. Yet nature is full of examples where cooperation and symbiosis are the keys to survival. Think about bees and flowers, or the mutualistic relationship between fungi and trees. These partnerships defy the simplistic notion of a dog-eat-dog world. Now let's consider how we view predators. Predators are often vilified in popular culture and even in some conservation efforts. However, they play an essential role in maintaining the health of ecosystems. By controlling prey populations, they help to ensure that no single species dominates, allowing for greater biodiversity. Misunderstanding this role can lead to misguided efforts to remove them, which can upset the entire balance of the ecosystem. Then there's the misconception about invasive species. We often label them as bad without considering the complexities of their impact. While it's true that invasive species can cause significant harm, not all invasions are disastrous. Some can even bring benefits, creating new niches and opportunities for other species. The key is to understand the specific context and not to generalize. We also tend to romanticize certain landscapes, believing that they are more natural or pure than others. For example, we might idealize untouched wilderness while overlooking the importance of wetlands or urban green spaces. Each type of habitat plays a unique role in biodiversity and ecosystem services. By valuing some over others, we risk neglecting crucial areas that also need protection. So how do we move forward? It starts with understanding that nature doesn't fit into our tidy boxes. It's messy, unpredictable, and wonderfully complex. By challenging our misconceptions, we can develop a more nuanced appreciation for the natural world. This in turn can lead to more effective conservation efforts and a deeper connection with the environment. Remember, it's not about having all the answers, but being open to learning and growing. Nature has its own wisdom, and sometimes the best thing we can do is to listen. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Let's keep exploring, questioning, and cherishing the incredible world around us. Until next time, stay curious,